Hello, hello! I'm going to explore some of the countries in Europe. And this time, I'm going to share it with you because this is one of my bucket list. Exploring different countries via train. So, try po natin. First time ko po ito and I don't know what's going to happen because hindi ko po alam kung paano talaga ang sistema. But I've got my friends with me. If in case na mawala ako, then may kasama po ako. I've got someone with me. So, never mind. So, we book, I think we're going to 5 different countries. So, we will see. Sama po kayo. Grabe ang tao ngayon. Sobrang dami. There's a lot of people here. It's because bakasyon po kasi. Yan. Yun pala yun. It's term break. So kids doesn't have school as well. That's why the train station or St. Pancras is very busy. Most people are going to Disneyland in Paris. So, it's quite crowded here. Wala kang makukuha. Ang dami nakatayo. Hintay-hintay lang kami ng aming train. Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng train. So, kita ko sa inyo ha. Ang itsura ng train. Ayan siya. O, ganyan po siyang mabuuan. And they have they're serving drinks. Ito yung toilet nila. So, para din siyang aeroplano ang toilet nila. Look at this, guys. So, hello, mga babies. Hello. Ayan sila. Ayan na. O, diba? Ako pa din yan. O, ayan. Para din siyang aeroplano ang toilet nila.
Inyo kasi,
Makan layo.
hanapin mo dyan, meron yan eh. Tignan mo, bunin mo. Bunin mo.
Ito, pipindutin lang, pindutin. So, automatic ah.
Ayan, naghahanap ako ng charger. Meron silang charger dito. Ayan. Kaya sandali pakita ko sa inyo. May charger. At saka may ilaw. Teka, maghanap tayo ng charger. Saan ang pindutan nito? Switch ng ilaw. Ayan. Oh, may ilaw. Ayan siya. May ilaw. Patay natin. Patay. Oh. Ayan, may ilaw. Oh, ayan, ilaw. Kami ay aalis na. Goodbye, London.
Chicken. Unang kita.
Any wine maybe?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
I'll ask them. Half wine, soft beer. Cool.
What one?
Okay.
Half
I'll
cold,
be back.
lemonade,
Is it okay?
beer, or
Yeah.
fruit juice. Fruit juice, apple juice. So, and for you, sir? Some white.
No?
I'll Diet Coke.
So now your turn. So let's have the chicken.
Two chicken.
Two chicken. So
Yes,
the
please.
blue. The blue.
What's the other one then? What's the other choice?
Sorry?
What's the other choice?
Two.
I cannot change my mind.
That's
Thank you.
that's meat rice balls.
Rice balls.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright
Do you
then.
want to try that?
Yeah, we'll try that one.
So you change your
Want
mind?
to change? Yes. Yeah.
Change it.
I'm a
Can I have one
woman.
Coke, yeah?
Of course, yeah. I know. So,
Yeah, thank you.
which wine for you?
Rosé, please.
Rosé?
Yeah.
I'll give you rosé and a white.
Oh,
Because you
thank
say yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy, madam.
Two. Oh. Cheers na cheers for a good daddy.
oh.
Cheers na daddy. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, may libre kaming food. So, kasi po, first class yung aming train. So, we've got food here. Ayan siya, oh, goat and cheese arancini. And then, ito ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute ng kanilang baso. Ayan. At saka meron silang, ano yan, butter? Yep, butter for the bread. And then, binigyan nila ako ng isang rosé and then isang white wine. Ayan. I will enjoy my meal. Okay, guys, join us. Ayan. Mag-live ka. I enjoyed my meal, so that is for free, included in our ticket. So we actually bought first class ticket, and we've got this very nice meal as well. So I just enjoyed my rosé, and they also gave me white wine. So I'm going to drink this later. I am on holiday, so I'm allowed to drink. Okay, guys. Daddy, what are you doing? Okay. Alright then. So guys, nag-enjoy sila din ng food nila. Tingnan natin mamaya. So, again, it's so nice that we have this free meal in the train. Okay guys, nag-offer din sila ng coffee. Ayan guys, I've got my black coffee. Oh, hindi ko naubos yung aking dessert kasi quite sweet. I'm not sweet. Sweetie. I don't like sweets. So I just I will just enjoy my coffee.
That's just for you. Don't make so
Thank
much jealous
you.
around you, please.
Thank you. Nice. I'll take my glass, huh? With
Take
me.
the glass.
With me. Thank
As
you.
long as you want.
Yes, I will. Thank you. Alright, guys. They gave me champagne. They gave me a free champagne. And guys, they are also giving me the glass. So that's it. Cheers.
Buseng, lagi tayong pagdating doon, yung tayo gagamitin baso ng aluminum.
Oo nga, no.
Pang gold. Oo.
Ganda. Oh.
Hindi, yung kanina yung ulit. Pang gold.
Ayan, at saka meron pa siya. Eurostar.
Tatak.
Meron siya tatak Eurostar.
Baka kayo. Ano ginagawa mo?
Lagi na.
Ayan, nasa France na kami. Oh, we're done with the underwater tunnel. So we are now in France. And guys, as what I said, cheers. Yes, ito, bigay lang sa akin ng Eurostar. They gave me free champagne. There you are. Cheers.
Inom pa more.
Piling mo mo. Oh, basta itabi mo yung ano, yung wine. Para magiging.
Mga bibi ko, bababa na sana kami. Kaya lang, pwede na kami palang bumaba. Diretso kami sa Brussels. So, hindi na kami pababa ng Lille. Doon na kami sa Brussels, bababa. Ay, nakatulog ako. After pinainom ako ng champagne na libre. We are here now in Brussels, guys. Mga bibi ko, we just arrived in Brussels. Ayan na, nagsisiksikan ng mga tao kasi marami talagang tao. Tingnan natin ha. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga taong sinasabi ko. Ayan sila. Yan ang mga tao na sinasabi ko, mga nakakasikip ng mundo. Ayan sila. Ang daming tao. Ayan, ang daming tao are here. We just arrived in Brussels. Ayan, oh. Sige. Bababa na kami. We are going down. We just arrived in Brussels. Okay, step. watch your step. Watch your step. There you are. There you are. Hala, yan na. We're here. Ayan mga bibi, we just arrived in Brussels. Daddy. We're here. And now we're going to share you. We're going to share with you our journey. Here. Thank you, Eurostar. Thank you, Eurostar. Thank you.